Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Math. Today's topic is polynomial expressions. These will have quadratics and then cubic and so on, and we'll work through all of them. Okay, let's see the first one. It says factor the expression 4x squared plus 12x plus 8. So either I can sort of multiply the answer options or I can try to factorize this. I see a 4 common, so I just take a 4 common here. And let's try to factorize this x squared plus 3x plus 2. So I think that's simple. This should be broken up into x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. And then the two brackets that I will have will be x plus 2 and x plus 1, I think. Okay, I can do that with answer options as well. You can do them in the way that you're supposed to do, and that shouldn't be an issue. Okay, I'm just going to convert this. See if that works. I'm just trying to see if something works. Oh, it's converted into something weird. Okay, next question. What results from adding 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2? I think that's simple. So that's 5x plus 1. Solve the equations. I can just solve this on my calculator. I don't really need to do this manually. Okay, this is just a build up because easy questions are usually like that. 1 minus 6 and 8. There will be 4 and 2. Okay, let's solve this one. It says 12 r power 5 minus 15 r power 4 minus r cubed plus r minus 10. And I want to add minus r power 5 plus r power 4 plus r cubed minus r squared minus r. So an intelligent way of doing this is to usually put this in a second line and then decide what you want to add, subtract. Okay, I don't know where that went. Okay, so let's just do this right now. It's 11 r power 5, so that should, maybe that's an answer option, but since there's none of the above, I'm going to calculate all of them. Minus 14 r power 4, then r cube vanishes, and I have minus r squared. R also vanishes in minus 10. Okay, let's multiply the brackets. 9y into y minus 11 plus 10 into y minus 11. So 9y squared minus 99y plus 10y minus 110. Okay, let's begin the next easy set of easy questions. Again, this is about adding and subtracting. So 6y cubed minus 8y cubed. I'm adding them up. Okay. Minus 7y square plus 9y square plus 8y minus 10y minus 9 plus 11. So what do I get net? I get minus 2y cubed. So A or C plus 2y square. So A or C again minus 2y plus 2. Question number 2, what is the result of multiplying? So 4a into 6a minus 8b plus 7b into 6a minus 8b. 24a square minus 32ab plus 42ab minus 56ab square. So I get 24a square plus 10ab minus 56b square. Okay, by what expression can 2x plus 5 be multiplied to yield the product? This calculate the sum of the coefficients of the obtained expression. Okay, so by what expression? So essentially what I'm asking you to do is I'm asking you to divide. Okay, now for the SAT, I would recommend that you know your long division. You can also do a trial and error in this question and say that what should I multiply 2x plus 5 with, and sort of get an answer option out of that. But you should also know your long division just for the sake of completeness. Okay, I think this is vanishing for some reason. It's not moving up. Okay, I seem to this seems to be stuck, but let's see. Okay, so in order to get 4x cube, I first multiply it with 2x squared. So I get 4x cube, and then I get a complementary term that's 10x squared. Okay, I change the signs. That's how you do long division. If you don't know this, go back and watch the video. Okay, 4x squared. Okay, now in order to get that, I multiply this with 2x. So I get 4x squared, and then there was a 6x from here, and then I get a 10x. So that cancels out. I get minus 4x minus 10. Okay, so I multiplied with minus 2 to get minus 4x. And I get minus 10 as well, so that sort of vanishes. Everything goes away. That's the expression that I wanted. That's on the either answer option A or B. Let's add the coefficients 2 plus 2 minus 2. I get 2. So that should be the correct answer option that I have. And yes. Okay, what is the result of subtracting? So remember that you have to change the signs. So 7a power 5 minus 8a power 5 minus 6a power 4 plus a power 4 plus 5a cubed minus a cubed minus 4a squared plus a squared plus a minus a minus 1, and there's a 0 there. I get a power 5 from here. I get minus 5a power 4. Does that give me an answer option? Yes, I think that should be the correct answer option without, uh, uh, but I seem to have made a mistake somewhere then. Okay, I think my mistake is that I have written it the other way around. My bad. Let's do that first. Okay, what is the result of subtracting this from that? So I have to first write this and then subtract that. Okay, so minus 7a power 5 plus 6a power 4. Wording matters. I just noticed that. So I'm going to now do that quickly. Okay, so that gives me a power 5 plus 5a power 4 minus 4a cubed. Okay, that looks like the last answer option that's there. Let's check. Yes, that is the correct answer. What is the result of subtracting this from that? So 3x squared plus x minus 4 minus 4x squared plus x minus 1. So I get minus x squared. I should change the signs as well. Minus plus x. Okay, plus 2x minus 5. Oh, I picked out the wrong answer option. I think it's going to ask me to do these medium questions again. Let's quickly do them. How many terms are in the polynomial? There are 3 terms in the polynomial. Okay, what was the result of subtracting this from that? It was minus x squared. Factor the expression. I think we factored this earlier. Adding, so 5x minus 1. I've again done that wrong. It's going to ask me to do these again. Let's do these again. 5x plus 1. Okay. So result of adding, so that is 11r power 5. Now I remember the answers, so I'm just going to do them quickly. 99y plus minus 99y plus 10. Yeah. So minus 2y cubed plus 2y squared. And yeah, that was the correct answer. I think that was the correct answer for this. I think this should now allow me to level up. No, it's still giving me easy questions. Let's see. By what expression should this be divided? So we decided that this should be this. Uh, Subtracting this from that. I think that was the correct answer option. Yeah, three terms. That's the problem. In getting one of these wrong, it doesn't allow me to level up then. Yeah. So that's the end of the first video for easy questions. I'll be back with more videos in the next session. Thank you for watching.